Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across a remote desktop connection error message that your remote desktop section will be disconnected and that the remote desktop cannot connect to the remote computer. For one of these reasons, program on this remote computer will continue to run. After you were disconnected, you can reconnect to this remote session later by logging on again. So first thing I recommend doing sure you are signed into an administrative account when attempting to use the remote desktop connection utility. Let's jump straight into it guys. Let's go to search menu and type remote desktop remote desktop settings. Here, not this, remote desktop settings. Click on it. Remote desktop connect to and use this PC from another device using the remote desktop set app. Click enable on turn on this to enable remote, so need to confirm it. Confirm. Okay, I'm close ada here. You still having issue, search regist regdit registry editor, run as administrator. Expanding this, wait a second. All you have to do is go to H key current user software and Microsoft. Here you need to search terminal, click on anything and type T. You don't have terminal server client, you need to create it. Microsoft, click on it, right click, new key, type here terminal space capital server server space client. Click enter, press enter. Right side you need to create one, right click on it, new dword 32 value bit, click on it. You need to here type on show shutdown show shutdown dialog dialog, press enter, double click on it. If you want to enable it, press 1 is for enable, 0 is for disable guys. If you want anything you do it, press anything, okay, and close after here. Go and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video guys, hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up. Goodbye.